Welcome to my channel today as we discuss easy scalping strategy for day trading forex. Easy scalping strategy for day trading forex. I'm going to introduce you to an almost fail-proof scalping strategy that I used in my early days of trading forex. It is almost fail-proof, bet. Now you ask, what is that bet? You have to hold on as we move deep into what this strategy is all about. Let's discuss how it works. I got into this strategy, as I said, in my early days in the forex industry. The reason I was searching for a scalping strategy was that I was desperately in need of making money out of the market. I was frustrated. I got frustrated after trying so many things and it wasn't working. I felt okay, I can beat the market by going in after a very short period movement. I'll go out of the market with profit. That is all about scalping. Interestingly, it works for all pairs. It works for all time frames, but with a very huge downside. The downside of scalping is that you need to expose large amount of your money to the market. That means your risk taking should be very high because your aim is to make money from the slightest movement of the market. However, if the market moves in the other direction, it's not funny at all. Even if you use stop loss, the money that will go out of your account is not funny at all. So that is the downside of scalping. However, as I said, I will definitely reveal to you this strategy. But before then, I want you to get the full understanding of what a forex strategy is. In fact, your understanding of strategy or forex trading plan will make or mar your trading journey. It's as simple as that. So pay attention to what I'm going to discuss here because that is the only reason any strategy will work for you. Any strategy will work for you. Forex trading strategy is a technical plan for making money out of the market. A technical plan for making out of the market. Now, Forex is like the football. We have players in the Forex. We have the brokers. We have the central banks of the world. We have the retail traders like you and I. We have the hedge funds. These are players, and all of us are coming to the market to make money out of the market. So we must come with different plans in order to make money from the market. Let's look at the football competitions in the world. We have Chelsea, Man U, Leicester City, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Juventus, name them. They all play for a trophy. So you and I trade for money. Chelsea has its own technical part of playing. Juventus has its own playing pattern. Man U has its own playing pattern, strategy. And these patterns of this each team plays depends on a lot of factors, such as the strength of their football players, the understanding of one another in the team, where their strength is. Do they have more power in the defensive part of the football, or are they more stronger in the attacking? How strong is their midfield? These are the things that the coach put into play to form a playing pattern for a particular team. Now, let me ask you, if you are one of the teams, let's assume you are Chelsea as an individual, and you fail to understand the football proper, you fail to understand your players, you fail to arrange your players as the case may be, but because you are lucky, you are among those to play the tournament. Now let me ask you, once it is the time to play, Can you play another person's or another team's pattern? Let's assume you said, oh, Man U plays this pattern. Since I don't understand this market or this football, let me play the Man U's pattern. Will you succeed? You can never succeed in such a situation. You can't. That is why, that is the reason this strategy I'm to teach you may not work for you. That is one of the reasons a lot of strategies in the market available free will not work for you. We have thousands of free forex technical strategies online, yet 95% of traders lose their money. Why? Do you know why? Every strategy has the factors integrated into it by the developer. Yes, the developer calculates the volume of funds he has, the risk tolerance, money management, then above all, his or her personal understanding of the market. So if someone developed a scalping strategy with, let's say, $100,000 account and is ready to risk 10% of that money, he will still make money from the markets. But you that may have $500, $1,000, $200, and you want to make money from the market in a very short movement, that means you almost expose all your money. And then, if it goes against you, that is the end of the market. Do you see why a lot of strategies do not work for people? You can't become a driver by just sitting in the front seat looking at the person driving. No, you must understand the market. You must take your time, know what someone in the US, in the UK, the pattern he or she wants to play. Yes, you can read the heart of other traders from the charts. You must understand the languages of the chart. That is why even the signal providers, most of them that provide signals, the followers lose because what he or she sees to enter the market or the entry point or exit point is not known to you. You are just blindly following somebody. That is why a lot of forex trading strategies don't work. However, as I said, I will show you this strategy for you to master, learn, understand how it is being formed. Please, if you're enjoying my video, I will urge you to subscribe. Be part of my team. Give me the support, the morale. Let me grow this channel. Let us grow where other new traders will come and learn not to lose money to the market. No, you have to understand these secrets. If not, you'll be jumping from one strategy to another, one strategy to another, without getting anything done. And at the end of the day, you get frustrated and end up saying Forex is a scam, Forex is a gamble. It is not. It's just that it needs deep knowledge, understanding of every step of the business, and you will definitely make money from the market. The scalping strategy I was trading in my early days, these are the rules. You must identify the trend. In fact, it's a general statement and it is a general fact. It's commonly, that's the only thing that is commonly acceptable by all traders in the market. You must follow the trend. How do you identify the trend? You use EMA, exponential moving average, and you change. Now let's go to let's put it into practice. Now this is it. This is a trade view, my trading view. You go to indicator EMA, average exponential. This is it. Fine, that is the line. You can see it. Now you go to the setting. Set it 200. Let the length of days, because the longer it is, the wider you understand what the market is all about. Now you can see this trend from here is a down trend, but from here is like a reversal. Now the trading pattern here is I'm taking this trade from here, moving up. Once the trade, it must the candlestick must be above this 200 leg size. I hope I'm making sense. Let me check another time frame and see what this will give us in another time frame. Okay, it gives us down. Okay, all right, fine. Look at this is an uptrend. So once the market, the the candlestick must be above the 200 moving average. I have established the trend. The trend is an uptrend for this pair. I said this works for all pairs and works for all time frame. Now, once I've done this, I will use RSI. Now, RSI is used to determine the overbought and oversold of a particular pair. But in this case, I'm going to use it as a momentum to understand the momentum of the market. RSI. RSI is the particular uh, this is the particular this is it. RSI divergence indicator strategy. Now this is it. Wow. It did not appear. RSI. This is yes. Good. Now it has appeared. It has appeared. Now, it is a very wonderful indicator because it has a divergence feature. Trading divergence or convergence, divergence mainly is a different trading system entirely. That is when the price action is moving in opposite direction with the indicator, it is a divergence. So this shows us a divergence, but we are not interested in the divergence. What we are interested in this is to know the momentum of this market. And to do that, we set it. We'll go to the setting. Setting. Now, when you come to the setting, the style, good. To clear the chart, to make the charts easier for us. Now, the middle line is what we want to look into here. The middle line, let's make it what color? If we put red there, how will it show? Then with a thick line. Fine, 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 fine. It is okay. Now you can take note of this middle line. Yes, you see the middle line. If this price action is above this line, that is the condition at which we trade. One, you must understand that the trend should be up or down. Whatever happens in the up, that's what happens when it is down. Now, after identifying this, now you use your RSI divergence indicator to understand the momentum of the market. Now we are not using it as overbought or oversold, and we are not interested in the divergence of the price from the indicator. No, we are interested in let the price do not cross this 50 line. Then the third thing is we look for a candlestick pattern. What candlestick pattern are we talking of? Engulfing pattern, bullish engulfing pattern. Now you come to how do you know that? Because we have a lot of bullish engulfing. Here is a bullish engulfing pattern, but you have an indicator that will say, is it bullish engulfing pattern? Engulfing bullish. Now, no, it has not appeared. Engulfing bullish. Fine. No, no, no. So many of them came in, and this is not exactly what I want to get. This is not exact. Engulfing, yes. Engulfing, engulfing bullish. Yes, this. Sorry. This is what we want to put. Let me, sorry, indicator, engulfing, good, sorry. Engulfing candle indicator. That's what we really need on this. It did not appear. The network is slow. That's why it's giving me this headache. Engulfing candlestick, candlestick indicator. Fine, fine. It has appeared so many times even. Oh, right. You see these little triangles. That is where the bullish engulfing occurs. So once this occurs, for instance, it occurred here, what do? You just strike buy. So these three conditions must be met. The trend is up. It is obvious we are looking for a spot to buy. Now, at a point where an engulfing pattern occurs and the price action does not cross these 50 points of the RSI, you strike. This thing works perfectly. However, it failed me severally. It's failed severally. No strategy is fail proof. No strategy is what? Fail proof. So if you want to trade scalping, this is a strategy you will take your time to master. However, I keep saying strategy is not for the big boys. The big boys takes time and trade. Strategy with the mind, a lot of new traders or beginners or intermediate trader comes with mind of making money quickly out of the market. The speed at which you come is the speed at which you go back. So if you are here to learn scalping, I still suggest professionally for you to calm down, have a better understanding of the market, and quietly trade the market like the lions in the forest, like the cheetahs in the forest, like the crocodile in the forest. These animals take their time, study the market, calm down, and patiently wait for the market to strike, to come in there, for the spray to come close before the strike. So the big boys trade. Once more, happy you have watched to this point. Subscribe, be part of my channel. If you have any comment, please leave in the channel in the comment section below so that we'll go. Thank you for watching.